Hello everybody, welcome back to Throttle Grotto. I am in Los Angeles this week, a real short weekend trip to check out a super secret Honda museum. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, through the Avance Club, I got a invitation to come to LA for a weekend and check out this super secret private Honda museum. There's a lot of really cool stuff in here. I only have a very short window of time to be in here, so I'm going to run through here real quick. I got about 45 minutes to do filming and everything, and I'll show you guys some really cool cars, and hopefully you guys will get to experience this place. If you can figure out a way to get here, do it. It's pretty cool. And I'll try to find out more information on that and leave that at the end of the video for you. Alright, so it's not a very large museum. Probably 40-ish cars in here. There's some motorcycles, there's a couple of ATVs, a bunch of awards, engines. So I'm just going to kind of run through and show you guys the stuff and not talk about it a lot because I don't have a lot of information on a lot of it. But there's concept cars, some racing cars, some Formula One, Indy type cars. It's cool. In addition to the cars, they have some really cool bikes here. This one might be my favorite. It's Honda CX650 Turbo. It just looks just rad. I can't recall that I've ever seen a Honda Goldwing without all the fairings and kit and everything on it. They look pretty cool without all that extra stuff on it. I don't know too much about this vehicle, but it's a really cool prototype. It's got a pickup bed, flush mount aero type fuel cap, some pretty cool looking Honda wheels. It's called the Spocket. Pretty cool. Did you guys know that Honda did an electric car back in like '97? But 110-mile range. Kind of a cool looking rig actually. With a hydrogen fuel cell. I think it's based on the same platform that the electric car is. This was back in 2003. I can't believe how tiny these little V8 engines are. It's amazing. Like, for comparison, where the clutch and all that stuff bolts, it's smaller than my hand. Like, that's amazing. A whole lot of race cars here. This old 74 Honda Civic is pretty cool. Bunch of Honda engines, IndyCar engines. Man, look how tiny that little clutch is. Last time you saw a 1979 Prelude. It's been a long time for me, and this thing's in amazing condition, as to be expected from something in a factory museum. These aren't exactly the scooters that I thought Honda was known for making, but these are pretty rad. Finish up with a kind of a cool set of cars here. This old Civic wagon, 75 Civic CVCC, which is compound vortex controlled combustion, which is not what I thought it meant. Z600, which is very, very cool car. An N600 with the little spare tire mounted underneath the back. I'm going to finish up with probably the coolest car here, in my opinion, a little Honda S600. Kind of reminds me of the Datsun a little bit, but very cool old car. If I remember right, these are a chain drive car. This is kind of cool too, a little Honda generator. It's so tiny. This is my hand for reference. It's about the size of a loaf of bread. And this old tube type TV, so you could watch TV in the woods. Has a pint of fuel capacity. Alright, so that is a very quick tour of a very cool private museum here in Los Angeles, California. Thanks to Avance and to Honda for letting us come in here and check it out and show you guys kind of what they have to offer here. Sorry it was a very quick, very unplanned video because I didn't really know what to expect and had a very short window of time to work in. So if you're interested in checking this place out, I'll leave the information that I get down below. But that's all I have for this time. Until next time, get out there and work on something.